every time for high GC news. Mema Ubibia Akwaba. I had the latest hot Aqua Era Mede Bravo. I don't see subscribe to channel idea. But Modia say over subscribe. The way I say over click a year the subscribe button. Now we barely notification. We answer video for Frubia ebe upload no. When the first person once ebe can a year sa video. Afi we are now like video to give us a thumbs up. Now afi share my wo for so that when you be here now who and somewhere ekoso ewo gara be mo no. Afi yebura ye ensemwa abeto yepono so yinkuti ASR report sankomo ya ba beto dwa moma interior koso
us to talk about you see OSP I declare a year Ken Ofori-Atta wanted mama ka bibi chemo Ken Oma Ken e chere mo go chede ba Ken Ofori-Atta Oma hwe ade we na go se mo hu ni dadaada OSP olon kan grow o ya zan bia ne ze me say Ken Ofori-Atta the end we no TV so no Oma because you see it's not about Ken Ofori-Atta coming to Ghana na anything it is the detention Ken Ofori-Atta omo keeping 2 days obewu ono na mana gas bonechi o sa kwa we Oma ne ba boy Ken Ofori-Atta ba boy o chatting girl be catch the boy girl and say and papa he stole with brains Ken Ofori-Atta ba boy no I have a screenshot of his chat with some girl be I'll catch a girl and say, oh, my father, he's not going to come. He stole from Ghana with his brains. Ken Ofori-Atta, oh, ma. It's moment I say, ye deceive ya hono. Eche activate say, FBI for na Interpol for nchene fanemra. Na say Ken Ofori-Atta say, me twa ticket. Me ko Ghana. Ema de area eche ba untimi no. Me ko akufim. Onye. Akwa we, oh, ma. Na akwa we krampo na ombumu uzo ombumu. He does not respect you people. From day one, I Ken Ofori-Atta about Ghana politics, he has never respected Ghanaians. And now, Yanyangasani pay attention in Tra. Ken Ofori-Atta, MPP party, MPP, he didn't respect anybody. Oh, so much Jimmy. So, no, but Ken Ofori-Atta, a year or botan deal, no. Or this Asikano, Eko Shabruchri. Or by no white, ye Jimmy, MPP for Jimmy. When you say Kwawe on Kano Kre. And Kwawe by or the two things in the buy, or the white shirt, any quotations, and a Ghana for be a Jiminti. Aqua when your opportunity, John verse 33, Leviticus chapter 44, verse 18, Matthew near 8 years, Nanko 4 way boy a chrono. This guy, he is not coming. Inti the better for us to go there and bring him. Yama Interpol Swan and Fanembra, or a criminal. He is on the international list of criminals. Until we need to pick him up and bring him to Ghana. Way on ma. Way. Ken Ofori-Atta to restaurant ADD relax so America most of yare. Ken Ofori-Atta or the restaurant did be a chika koba. Must Ken Ofori-Atta or yare. He is not coming. And the OSP knows. One of the most dangerous people in Ghana, Untimin Trust OSP. And today, I'll be asking him about 14 questions. About 14 questions to ask the OSP. Now, OSP, and I can't say me I say, we declare Ken Ofori-Atta wanted. We peace at the fountain and me we come in yet. Na nyama bebre wo ho a omode charger omode betu Ofori-Atta so inti omo omra na sebio omontoto na no. Na peace at 4 sebio obi bi no ka se obi ti apetishi ba bi edidi atem and MDC for tata MPP for that bi OSP ni say owongina so nti na o se Ken Ofori-Atta mra ne entoto na no. Na insem bebre wo ho a e wo se Ken Ofori-Atta ebeyi ano efri say sansem no after omonhwehwemu no they've realized say Ken Ofori-Atta played a very important, in fact he played a very vital role in those deals. Now say oh hwe nyoma na eye the special prosecutor ejina so ediama Ken Ofori-Atta ba Ghana say omra na ombeyi ano na obeyi ni nyina no wie na se ne ho son ayama na kwana ensem no ebinie ba menya abotre na medwedwem se ne be ya PZ fo mo beti ase na obi entena ho ndidi eyede matem se mabeka asem ahye Ofori-Atta. Now, under investigation by the OSP for 5 key issues, OSP ni say nyoma num ena omohu se Ken Ofori-Atta abokro no woma omoto omonsa e de afre no. OSP no PZ for the Office of the Special Prosecutor Kwabena Agyapong akwana ori apan no. Unim Kwabena Agyapong sa akwana wose ono otumi ma apan dan kwan mu na apan anom kwan no na yede apan tu fufuo so no wemia apan ne bo na apan ne bo no abegu dien abegu fufuo no so ose oyokoni ono ontumi show bi ashu nti ono a ono shoe size of the nam ene the amount of money a obusa enti OSP se nyoma num ena ogina so ede amaka na ba ne atoto na no ne ho son a na asem de na asem ko nyoma num no ene dien ne dien de tosu mienu de tosu baako Petroleum and Minerals Revenue Assurance or say contract between Strategic Mobilization Ghana Limited and GRA or say first dien charger omode bo Ken Ofori-Atta no say GRA any company bi a ye from Strategic Mobilization Ghana also mo sign contract bi a contract no Ken Ofori-Atta ho bon mu papa sika die be mu na Ken Ofori-Atta ne die nim ede ne nsa sha ase e ma sika die bi aba eno intina yeto ye nsa ede afre Ken Ofori-Atta se omra na omonya den omo entoto na no inti we number 1 inti enye se Ken Ofori-Atta obi tan no nyoma bi a waya Office of the Special Prosecutor say why investigations e hu se Ken Ofori-Atta ho bom na wa bokro no nti omra no meyi no number 1 e na machiri mu achiro no time our finance minister no strategic mobilization Ghana omone Ghana Revenue Authority sign a contract bia sa contract no special prosecutor hu say Ken Ofori-Atta ebu Ghana fa so 2 electricity contract termination or say cancellation of ECG's agreement with Beijing BXC. You see, time ana Ken Ofori-Atta finance minister no. Ken Ofori-Atta ejinemu edienim ema Ghana contractor ne any company bia Chinese company efa enyem nkania ho nsem omo ne ECG no more contract bi da ho Ken Ofori-Atta edi enim ema omo twa contract no ma ekabeda Ghana so a ekwan a ofa so etwa contract no na esa kwan no enye kwan paso sebio ECG any BX4 no ena wo contract ena ono ye finance minister ena odi enim e make sure say omo twa contract na wamfa de ekwan paso odi koti kwan bi so ene twa contract no ma sebio ono ene ne hu nipa bi enya ho mfaso enya ho sika eno ene de charge mienu a ye de bo Ken Ofori-Atta se omra na ombra meyi ya no na ehu se ne hu son anasa ne hu eni son kwedu miensa eda Ken Ofori-Atta so a ende wakoshi aburuchi a ose omba no enie National Cathedral National Cathedral ya esi nkran ya yetu amene Ministry of Health Procurement and Payment Processes yesi National Cathedral no so no uhwem a na na dan Kweku Addo ka so o hyere nyankopon bi bo na omo se omo besi National Cathedral won nkran. Now, the question is say special prosecutor say omo hwehwe nsem nim omo hu say Ken Ofori-Atta edi tintiman ema koti kwan bi ana say proye ketahye ene dwirim bi ekoso a onu nya ho mfaso sika twitwiri die 58 million senia amanfo bi nya contractor omo ka so be National Cathedral asare na ebesinde yensi asare bia sika ye bogu mu a ende ebesinde obia enya ho mfaso a National Cathedral no omo tu amana keke no. What the OSP is telling Ofori-Atta say ose omra na ono so aye hwehwemu won krata bi wo ha omra no meyi ano nti eno ne charge a etoso nan a den etoso miensa OSP de abo Ken Ofori-Atta ese omra ose omba emeyi ano mamenjudwam ema PZ4 kwedu a eboso etoso nan enie ambulance deal Ministry of Health contract for 307 ambulances. Ambulance bi no mo de ba ya na mo be sachire no. Carve campaign occasion and occasion. Carve campaign occasion and o mo de ambulance bi na nkan for no mo sa no. Aha, chokofo no. ha sa ambulance na 307 no yesi Ken Ofori-Atta tama na finance minister no ono na di anim na almost sign krata na office of the special prosecutor so obodwudwa nsemu ayemu nkyinkyiremu ayemu hwehwemu ehu se Ken Ofori-Atta sika pudu a onya ye efiri sa contract mu no ene ne hu nipa bi omo aban mu no omra na oma ye hwehwemu a ewo se obeyi ni omabia no ene ne kwadu a etoso nan a Ken Ofori-Atta se da bi ene de omma ene ntina ende ye de tabo na to no so sa wa obehu no abrochire bebia no se wukuta kora fa hye de ti na fa de batakari hye de ti na kire bra Ghana na kwadu a etoso enum mo kai ambulance no ka face campaign o feja ayana o feja ka face campaign I know you some no buy ya no munim se debi o meya no all right now charge etoso enum kwadu a etoso enum 5 charge number 5 ka face campaign o feja ayana o feja ka face campaign I ambulance ba kunipa 10,000 almost Jimmy Bruta. Oh Messiah, do you have the video? Aneke o feature ka say campaign o feature aneke o feature ka ne akwebo ndware efitiaro pa wasa de 250 ambulance ba ga mahama ya ende yes boga meya no boga so ti abrochi wa be hu Ken Ofori-Atta bia fa kora hye ti na fa eye de blanket chechire no na fa ne ko Ghana ye be ma usika. Now number 5 GRA tax P fund handling and disbursement of tax fund account. Yasi eye ehwehwemu a anasa kwadu a eboso etoso enum no ene say eye Ghana Revenue Authority bebia ejiji eye den yeto ni nyina ede kɔ no omo hwehwe mu no OSP say omo wu say Ken Ofori-Atta sebi osasika no ode ne nsa bom Ken Ofori-Atta Ken eye special prosecutor say eye charge number 5 a ede Ken Ofori-Atta so say eye GRA sika ya jeje ene sika ye bechiche de aye nyoma a wo se eboa Ghana na ye jeje abayefo etata ama ye jeje nkofo sika firi eye de PZ ye jeje omo de eye taxes no sa sika no time Ken Ofori-Atta eye de eye finance minister no ordinance bomu ema ne ho bomu enti special prosecutor se omra na omedwudwam na ne ho so a na osakọ ka says campaign okay chon I say oh feature now inti kwadu eye enuma eye the special prosecutor edi abo Ken Ofori-Atta ye se omra Ken Ofori-Atta say obesha abrochire enya dia obeba na wo hwema time special prosecutor estati say odi kwadu we ebo Ken Ofori-Atta no wo hwema osa kire sebio eye de abotra wenya ama Ken Ofori-Atta ene atro ene disrespecter Ken Ofori-Atta edi akire Ghana for through the special prosecutor's office ose de ne see ose January 2025 afia esimi bosumi ana edi enim January no de oye ne say okase Ken Ofori-Atta ye kromfo o de tabora to ne tiri so a obi obehunu bia no ense ne so ye kromfo na o me nchene fa ne mbra Ghana we no na January ena o de assemble to abontene say ende January no o declare Ken Ofori-Atta say o ye kromfo. Now 31st January na ena Ken Ofori-Atta lawyers extra brain special prosecutor ka and say oh ya te say what the taburu bi ato Ken Ofori-Atta so say oye kromfo na ewiase de akromfo tetwe amoabo atimfo mo wiase no ye de dian akoka ho lawyers ne ka kire de special prosecutor say 31st January Ken Ofori-Atta yare pa omne ne ka say sebio ne be makura ye de ato de adakam ema sebio no hwo a eno so da cap mu a ende yare a adokoro na emu aye den ama na ontumi nya hwe enti lawyers a Ken Ofori-Atta lawyers no extra letter e de bre special prosecutor say omo client Ken Ofori-Atta no ne ho edodo no oyare pa ama ne be makura da nkam eda de report mu ma emu aye hyehyehye ma ohun de onye enti February 5th 2025 ya no OSP demanded return date okachire lawyers zamate samusi mo client Ken Ofori-Atta sebio ne bema da jem ana sebio de hwe ana ne ntohwe eda egu dansemu a ende me mamu mumma date a obeba se ne be ya yanyina betime di dwuma we ma sebio kwanso ma obia enye den embu ne nyonko nimtia enti on the 10th of February no special prosecutor extra come Ken Ofori-Atta lawyers say minim se musum nipa na yare ende mumma date a obeba ena the 12th of February on the 10th of February unaddressed doctor's notes cited March surgery no confirmed return date enti February 5th o catch almost for report bi mbre no kire say or doctor no on the 10th of February no omo the report by a date in so bibia nka ho ada Ken Ofori-Atta beba doctor kura okọ dwumadi a yekodi no yare o yare omo nka bibia letter hunu and omo kire ba enti on the 12th of February no na o declare Ken Ofori-Atta fugitive o ka se Ken Ofori-Atta kromfo a wedwane free Ghana wa obekiri bia no fa korahye ne ti na fa blanket chechire no ho na tam ne bra Ghana na ebema osika. Now on the 18th of February and appeal to OSP firm may return date given. Oh, sorry, appeal to OSP firm may return date given. Name removed from wanted list and blah blah blah. Until on the 18th of February, and lawyers because Ken Ofori-Atta beba on the 8th in May. Inti special prosecutor no only Ken Ofori-Atta din emfree list no so and a special prosecutor say and the wati so oma catch and so obeba dia and the obeyi ni din no efree list no so. Now the end akosi nyina say March 20 March way March twemi Ken Ofori-Atta momuna na o catch special prosecutor say o man time kakra na on fanhwe ne ho yare no mbra no. Ken Ofori-Atta any special prosecutor din kobo wie na osoma ne lawyers o monko court na o monfa special prosecutor ne court na o monko kan kire Ghana for court say special prosecutor ne kan kore na no Ken Ofori-Atta no enya ade obeba nde beba ochina na special prosecutor no aya ade bi etia no. That was on the 20 on March in March, sorry. So 28th of March and strage for Human Rights Court hears Mr. Ofori-Atta's plea to block OSP from future declaration and adjourns to 18 June 2025. Inti 28th March and court Assembly court. Now the Ofori-Atta can you court in yan say the lawyers in cancha judge and say sir OSP benya ho kwan aka kire wiase nyina se oyo kromfo na wodwane abesha abrochire on peso beba fie ame atoto na no ne lawyers ne court na wonko block special prosecutor send e be ya special prosecutor entumi enye ne dwuma na omko ya 28th May with less than a week to the deadline inti lawyers notify that he cannot meet it due to surgery scheduled for 13th June 2025 na Ken Ofori-Atta din kanka so beba May wamba and lawyers abeka say Ken Ofori-Atta ontumi ma biem June na oka so beba no ontumi ma efri say okoye surgery. Now ebe sinne Ken Ofori-Atta lawyers any Ken Ofori-Atta entumi fa phone enfre OSP kan kire say surgery no aye wi o so onye nwie yo say kosi sen say doctor sika say obewu ana say onwu say obo say ombo 2nd June and na nka say Ken Ofori-Atta eba Ghana ha endra and na 2nd June ana meboa Ken Ofori-Atta amba and intina special prosecutor and waba bontene abeka se tabona odoto Ken Ofori-Atta so se Ken Ofori-Atta kromfo tetwa amoaboaten bebi a obechia ne bia fa korahye ne ti na fa kuntu kata no ho na chekere na fa ne bra Ghana no and the special prosecutor de na no asemaba ama Ghana fo nyina hu se Ken Ofori-Atta yeka se de Ghana embramu no kromfo a eni se obia emanefa no ho di.
Ofori-Atta is a wanted person and a fugitive from justice. His name is hereby re-entered on the OSP's list of wanted persons. The OSP will take all necessary legal steps to secure Mr. Ofori-Atta's return to the jurisdiction and to answer to the criminal inquiries against him. In pursuance of this, about 30 minutes before this briefing, I triggered processes for the issuance of an Interpol red notice for the location and provisional arrest of Mr. Aremeyaw Ofori-Atta in whichever jurisdiction pending extradition or his surrender. Around the same time, I dispatched a request for extradition processes to be instituted for the provisional apprehension in any jurisdiction in which Mr. Ofori-Atta may be located or found, and his extradition to the Republic of Ghana. The OSP will prefer criminal charges in the courts against Mr. Ofori-Atta in due course, whether in absentia or otherwise. The principle of
special prosecutor ankwanoma on the say apan kwan ope or say and there or to the numtu say Ken Ofori-Atta or the NATO wanted list to swat baby obehunu bia friend so kromfo na o kora fashion ti na o kuntu afa kekere no ho na fa ne bra Ghana de be pesika bi e de amawo na ne kasemu no o say Ken Ofori-Atta Sisi adi akodi no mo say on person be Ghana. Enti eye court and a special prosecutor say odi Ken Ofori-Atta beko na ya try to say oye criminal case and na omode ekoto no so court na Ken Ofori-Atta obo wambe omo be try na asem no ye be gina court edi na asem no say ono a ebo no homode na oba fine anase omo ankasa so ebe make sure say na asem no ye di no court e ma Ken Ofori-Atta ye di na asem say kromfo under a criminal case e ma Ghana fo nyina ehu. Now special prosecutor aka insembebre. Now it's so interesting. Ken Ofori-Atta's lawyer informed me in a letter dated May 28th that a medical expert has diagnosed him with cancer with surgery scheduled for June 13th. Special prosecutor Eka Sandeno or say Ofori-Atta lawyers actual letter bread say Ofori-Atta na or say obeba on the 2nd of June onyama. Now lawyer a Dr. Biba be surgery. Now Ofori-Atta no wenya cancer. Inti cancer no surgery no be no omo be no on the 13th of this month. Inti second na Ken Ofori-Atta so oba no lawyer say catch any Ghana for say ontumi mba na okwa akoye surgery bi mo kai say Ken Ofori-Atta okache Ghana for say na ne ho mfa no na on the 2nd of June there ken obedu krom ha. And Ken Ofori-Atta lawyers catch there say Ken Ofori-Atta wenya cancer. Into wenya cancer into ontumi nkasa. Wenya cancer into ontumi ntina play mu. Wenya cancer into yebusa no question a ontumi njeso. Inti yani Ghana for the yen ma Ken Ofori-Atta ne cancer ne nko. Onya ne surgery ni wie na ne cancer ne nko. Ansa na Ken Ofori-Atta no ye be den ye be twe na so anase ye de na ba court. Ken Ofori-Atta so ne nam America ha hotel restaurant a odidi. Me kire mo restaurant a Ken Ofori-Atta koye. And me kire video a Ken Ofori-Atta eto odidi. Inti I was say bibi ka kire say MPP for we omo yankwasiafo omo muye. Ken Ofori-Atta, he is not coming to Ghana. Owu Ghana for say ye Jimmy. Ken Ofori-Atta no owu ye nyina maka kire mo say the Akufo Addo family, the MPP as a political party. Omo mu Ghana for hwe nkwasiasema AC. Chairman Wontumi a mere civilian onyo bia. Chairman Wontumi is just a regional chairman of a village party. He is nobody. Now you see the way the MPP piglets are fooling themselves on the streets of Yoko. That is the MPP. They feel so entitled to nothing. They feel say, but nobody should question them when they go wrong. Inti Ken Ofori-Atta in his head, you know, and in the MPP leadership now, they still feel say we don't even have the right to question them. So we take Ken Ofori-Atta lawyer, Sibia Okasa Jimimu, Utiene Kasabia. He even feels say we don't have the right to even invite Ken Ofori-Atta to come and account for his still worship. Yani afa Ken Ofori-Atta ejuma. And ye check Ken Ofori-Atta say bra. Na yantoto ano every say wabokro no. The lawyer cry in his response no. Sometimes we tie Sibi omo kana. They feel say omo nim nyansa chen Ghana fo nyina. And the special prosecutor say Ken Ofori-Atta or how oni how omo ba be file a case, a criminal case against him. Whether he's here or not, they are going to trial Ken Ofori-Atta. Now trial the course we now say Ken Ofori-Atta is guilty and he has to be jailed for 20 years. Ken Ofori-Atta, wherever he is, or say a chino near the jail or Ghana. Now you making sure say we woo jail. And basically, Ken Ofori-Atta, the special prosecutor says he's going to go ahead and trial Ken Ofori-Atta. The evidence or one of filing the case, a criminal case against him because Ken Ofori-Atta is not ready to come home to answer questions. For all you know, say a Sibra Ghana and that's a homebo kronwa. How difficult is this? You just have to come, answer a few questions, and the same day you go. Because ex-president Mahama, those times I know when you're president, you know, special prosecutor friend, you know, John Mahama echo special prosecutor, in some ebusa nina. Oh, yeah, no, the entitlement, the mentality at that NPP for team. Sa Jimmy Omajiri almost say they can fool, they can insult, they can stupidly just steal from us, and we don't even have the right to even question them. Say that is my problem with these piglets. MPP from problem no more I don't know. They feel say they are a village political party. It no. As far as you are in Ghana, you live in Ghana, the things the government is providing, you are enjoying them. We have the right to question you, whether you are a village party or not. In the same class, San krasisem na edidi party nim, san krasisem na be show mutrim. Inti ande no uchi obia, yes ye ntiase, and ya uchi NPP ni bia ye ntiase. And say chairman wuntimi jimi ya chini. Chairman wuntimi say onbo kro no what is his problem? Say chairman wuntimi enwia adea. What is chairman wuntimi's problem? He will answer the questions, he will provide his evidence, and he will walk. And then Amugwa Bontese impreko Jimmy Muhu all over the place. I'm threatening you. You also come to power. And when we come to power, Kwasiafo, when I can't about power. In Kwasiafo, when I can't about power. When I can't with him say you are coming to power. When I can't with him say you are going to win an election. When I can't with him say even 2028 you will have a flag bearer. When I catch them. When I catch them MPP for say 2028 mobile flag bearer. Who told you? When I catch them. Flag bearer onim nyansa. Moju say 2028. Na mo flag bearer onye criminal. Na mo flag bearer oye flag bearer no so. Na mo flag bearer onim nyansa. Mo ye sure say 2020 na mo flag bearer. The party itself is broken. It's in pieces. Nyansa ni mu biem. And then when you are talking to them, yeah, you about power. When they say about power, we in your party as about power. Ojen say 38%, you know, within 4 years, Ghana for Jimmy to come give you 51%. And I want to politics na say. And see, I know me busam say, when they say about power, who said you are coming to power? MP4, who said you are coming to power? It's mundi munkomo, mundi long term munkomo. Me won say mundi short term munkomo emboamo. Your conversations should be long term. Oh, say that be yaba power. Hey, where they say yaba power na say mpeni for nyina nwuya. Hey, say nyame boya na say be 20 years yaba power. Mundi san komo no, future nkomo. Mundai yaba power. When is over power? Who told you people you are coming to power? Yaba power, overpower bedding. Overpower bedding. Munkomo ni nyina should be future tenses. Hey, say the nyame boya na say in the next 10 years yaba power. Hey, into future ni yambra power na Akufo Addo tiase. Hey, osafuma fukra, and see yambra power no wu. Hey, time yambra power na party mpeniform di anim na di 80. San komodi bi na oso mudi, ana nkwase akeka na yaba power. Kennedy Agyapong na yaba power na say bride champion na say Bawumia the comedian. Who is coming to power? To do what? Kwase ebe na katu mutrim sa mo power. Use future sentences a lot. Future sentences and then ebe mo use future a lot. Nyame boa na ebe power in 10 years ah. Nyame boa na ebe power in 40 years ah. Nyame boa mo ndi nkomo say because answer na mo power no na majority of them flag bearers no mo because na age at show mo nyina mo free politics. I'm telling you. Time mo power na eye afenyoma ka odi 47 na we di be 82. I'm telling you. You should not be thinking about power. You should be thinking of having the party to survive for the next 42 years for the young ones who are being born today to come and take over from you for the next 42 years. Do not talk as if say, oh, you have about power 2028. Because yeah, now you say about power easy, sir. Who you say sorry about power? Do you know what it takes to win power? Aban papa ba eye adwuma no. Mudi mu Jimmy to work. Mu nya future present tense. And our future present participle adjectivia their pronouns. And then the muhia and some would incomo, some quasi uncommon, yaba power, 2028 yaba power. When are they over power? Quasi ever the over power, whenever to amount. When they cosalize them to MPP. Ah? Future simple tense, future participle, the present continuous. And you been use nyame boya ne about 2020 38. Hey, inti ebana bride champion wu so so nyini kakro. Eh na saba omia de. Osa mafum de yembra power no mawu. Mundi san komo na mu reality check no because mombra power no na hackman Akufo Addo osafu mafu. Omom di sa council no mu nyina wu. Na Kojo Kyeremanteng komo so di 68 70 into one na modern number power. Munkasa ye na munjan kwasi akasa na mutirimu ya mudadodo. Mukasa say alewa shamoto. Mukasa jimimu ni aba power. And the 4 years aba power. Why na over power? Why na kwasala ya to abama? Why na ebe kasa wa MPP man ato Ghana for team? Dey na mobile power mo dey yeden. What are you using the power for? Because a cross party mo dey ahindie na mo ya ade. Ade ne entam to me se mo dey yeden. To me, mudi yeden. Munkan de mudi to me ye. Enso pe to me. Mudi to me ne yeden. What are you using the power for? Ah, mo party mo experience ones no me hwan. Mo bon kire me. Who are the experienced people in your party? Akufo Addo only 10 years obewu. Osafomafo only 10 years obewu. Wana Hackman obewu. E pa go from person can asem. Why na party mu a? Why na what? I don't know power. Bawumia. The next 8 years no design. Kennedy Agyapong Kennedy who Roberto Brandon Champo Cronfo we or no Brandon Champo area one ho udi mu nkuro do ahye no ho Brandon Champo Cronfo we na Brandon Champo be the president into when the mobile power no na sa national vice third vice so said sa jimi no when the never power no there no beka akwa we oba power no be den we member power be den
when they say something it's primary fascicles which means he
has a case to answer.
He has case to answer. But the constitutionally instrument here is whether or not all family fascicles are true and are yes.
No, maybe.
Let me tell you. You agree? Let me tell you.
That's
let me tell you. Do you understand? So it can be fabricated.
No, that's why
it can be lies.
So if
that's why the committee sits.
You see?
Let's have.
No.
Inti ya member power no. Momo boda mon. We na ebra power o meden. Sala na ndue we meden power the den. We all the power yeden. What is he going to do with power? What does he need power for? Busan so the power beden. We mo no 5-7 years na mo nyina wu. Yare be bo mo, we mo no mo yare. Mo mayambu man na mo tinas na mo use simple future tenses.
Yo, waiting for winning and somewhere about beto. Yapuno so Mikao say so when you subscribe to channel idea, but Modia say over subscribe. Now while I give you give us a thumbs up now fee share my work for so now when you be here now and some do na right so ewo Ghana me muharam. Also bet me otchere wadwen afaye some way nyira ho ewo comment box mu. Mo beti interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.